when you couldn't make your shots, those rebounds and second chance points to save you. What was key to making sure that everyone was on the same page and no one became complacent despite the leads and our ability to not be on the other side?
Una, malaking bagay na wala si Arvin. Actually, we prepared for Arvin to play today. It's just a lucky break na hindi siya nakapaglaro. We feel na maglaro siya, mag-iiba yung complexion ng laro talaga. So, we had to scheme him and to find something to just maybe minimize his efficiency, but again, we got lucky he was not able to play. Napakalaking bagay din offensive rebounding. We were missing shots, actually shots that were open that I felt we could have made, especially those open threes, but what saved the day for us was our offensive rebounding. We got 29 offensive rebounds. So I think this is the first time we got that much number of offensive rebounds. So it's a testament to the hard work. Alam namin maliit kami going into this game. We did not have Bo, wala si Keith. Of course, si Luis wala pa rin. Yung mga malalaki namin, and Bo and Keith are our primary bigs. So ang naiwan sa amin yung mga fours na lang. So Gabe did a good job playing a big man today. Even Mark Corporan did a good job putting in quality minutes. Tapos yun nga, the usual is we were able to play at our own pace. Kaya si Ma'am, nakuha niya agad yung laro niya. Maganda yung start niya because we started at the right pace.
And Ma'am, sabi ng Coach Yang, they had a really good start from the get-go. We were just scoring all levels and set the tone for how the rest of the game goes. Coming from an injury, how did you try to create your health back during your off-season? And what fruits of your preparations did you see in your game tonight?
Well, in terms of coming back to playing shape, every day naman I work with our PTs, our team PTs, and our team strength and conditioning. And buti nga nakahabol ako last conference ng konti, and laking salamat ko rin sa coaches namin, kay Coach Yang, na pinalaro pa rin ako kahit medyo mabigat yung naging injury ko. And siguro in terms of this team, proud lang ako na we stepped up to the challenge kasi coming off a tough loss against NLEX. Sabi nga ni Coach Yang, medyo mabigat yung talo na yun, and buti na lang nakabawi kami, and hopefully this becomes a momentum. Masarap mag-break ng mahaba na galing sa panalo, so hopefully pagkabalik nasa winning momentum kami, and sakto next game namin ata is against the defending champions ng conference na to, which is Meralco. So laking bagay na manalo kami this game for the next game.
Thank you, ma'am. We are now opening for
Salamat.
Coach, you mentioned last game yung ang buong case dito mga problema but this kind of result somewhat the great coach did na you can say complete without both or one man and without him.
We can compete to a certain level siguro, no? Pero pagkalaban mo na ng San Miguel, yung mga may malalaki talagang big men na kailangan mo pang matchup, kalaban mo yung mga Converge, or even Magnolia, may mga malalaki sila, mahihirapan talaga kami. Kung wala sila Bo, wala sina Keith. What we're trying to do now is just trying to buy time for them. We're hoping na, ito nga, medyo mahaba-haba yung bakasyon. 27 pa yung next game namin, so it's about 11 days from now. Tapos may Holy Week break. We'll see kung kaya namin silang maibalik, no? kahit isa lang sa kanila. Kasi mahirap mag-survive talaga masyado kaming maliit sa gitna. Testament lang to how hard our bigs played. No, Santi had to play a 4. No? Naglalaro na siya ng 3 dati. Kaylan did an excellent job, offense and defense. Just getting offensive rebounds, putbacks, defense. Too bad his outside shot was not working, pero kung maandar pa yung 3-point shooting niya, mas maganda pa sana. Pero he did enough today to make up for the absence of our 2 bigs. And again, it was a team effort. Gabe, Bor, Santi just working hard off the boards and giving us those extra possessions.
Coach, kita ko how long will be out or how short will be?
Ano yan?
Kita ko how long or how short?
Yung kay Keith kasi, I don't think it's that serious, pero what we want is for him to get back for the long term. No? Pwede mong pilitin na ilaro niya ng 1 o 2 laro, tapos biglang sasakit na naman, then maghihintay ka na naman ng ilang laro. So, we'd rather rehab him for the long term. Kung kailangan maghintay pa ng konti para mas matibay ang pagbalik niya, siguro that's the proper way to look at this problem or this health issue by Keith. Pero it's not really a serious injury, but it's an injury that bothers you because of the pain. So, tingnan natin paano natin ma-manage.
Hindi lang yung reaction sa naging area na si Kaylan hindi mo sila masalit.
Ang content ka na naman sa YouTube. So, wala, lokohan lang yun. Siyempre, lugi kami kung magkapalit sila ng mukha. Diba? So, yun naman ang biruan pagka nasa barangay ka, nagkakapalitan ng mukha pagka masyadong physical ang laro So, lokohan lang yun. Wala namang ano.
You're coming up with during this conference. How satisfying is it to play well after that injury na dahil nag-miss ka ng
Yun nga po, it goes back to yung confidence lang ng coaches namin sa akin kasi hinabol pa ako sa last conference. And laking bagay nun kasi medyo na-feel ko na agad medyo ng game. So coming into this conference, medyo game ready na ako.